Time for work. That's my camera bag all loaded up. Think Tank Airporter. It is a great bag, I love it. It's gonna get me exactly what I need to the spot today. All right, so I'm downtown. I'm at Eau Claire Market. I am working tonight. Tonight I'm shooting an event. It is a cancer walk. So I'll be taking some photographs of some cancer survivors that they're going to utilize for the website. So I've got a big suitcase full of camera gear. We're going to go get set up. It is outside. It is going to be a bit of a challenge because it is shot on a white backdrop that they're providing, that I'm not providing. It is windy, so it's always a bit of a challenge when you have changing conditions. A lot of times people are looking for studio style shots, and this isn't really conducive to that, mainly because you're outside. You can't control the big light, which is the sun, and today's a clear blue sky. There are harsh shadows everywhere, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge to get what I need done, because with a flash you can only do so much. With a flash you cannot overpower the sun, so if something is heavily shaded, you're not going to be able to do that 100% with a flash. You'll have to use a reflector. I don't have an assistant, so let's see what we can get done. So light up the night was fantastic last night. Today, I'm in the mountains. We're going to the mountains. It's a little rainy, a little cloudy, but it'll still be great being in the outdoors nonetheless. So just making our way back now, because as you can see in here, weather's taking a bit of a turn, so it's gonna get really wet here, or snowy in a few minutes. So making our way back to the vehicle. And that's what can happen in about 30 seconds. You go from taking time lapses of mountains to absolutely nothing. Can't see a thing. It's windy today, but it's cold. Jerry close to the corner. Gonna hit up Minhas for some pizza.